Hello world, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about a camping trip to Crystal Creek Beach. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Well, we're here at Crystal Creek Beach, under the trees. There's a lot of spots taken up with other car burners and campers. We do have neighbours probably 60 metres away, I suppose, 50 metres on both sides. Just set up the two cars with the awnings to cross each other. The road is just there, and there is beach access down there. We're only staying one night, so yeah, nice little shady spot all day. Got enough battery power without needing solar. Bit of rubbish around, and don't know why people leave it, but yeah. Have a fire tonight, cook on the fire. Yeah, this is our camp setup. The road is just here, but generally that stops. People don't keep going after a certain time. So, and they go slow anyway, they don't create any dust. But yeah, the fridge side is over this side. My Darcy swag is over there. We're under the trees on the beach. Got the fire pit ready to go tonight over there, so we can cook on the fire. A friend is here with his ute and swag over there. Haven't put any poles up, it's only a very light breeze. Yeah. Yeah, that's the camp. Just going to. Yeah, the breeze is probably, I don't know, white caps out there in the sea, so I've got to say it's just over 10 knots, probably around 10 knots easterly sea breeze. There's a few campers around. Yeah, this is one of the access roads. We come along here this morning. We didn't use the back road, we used this one. It's a bit soft, but yeah, didn't even lower the pressures down. Didn't need to. Just had it in high range 4-wheel drive. Yeah, people use accesses all over the place, but there is an access up further up there. So I'll take you down the beach and show you down there. Yeah, the tide's going out at the moment. I think it's about 1:45 over there at the Palm Islands. bit hazy. Yeah. Go around, that's Ingham towards that way. And over this way, if we went along the beach, we went up further and there was people camped every little available spot. Could have gone further on, could have gone way up the point, but we decided not to. We decided to come back here. We only stay in one night and we didn't want to get bogged and then have to dig myself out because the mate, he's got a broken back. He didn't want to do too much, so we decided to come back here, and that's our camp up there, just under the trees up there. As I say, when you look around, there's people camped, there's houses and people camped in between. Yeah. We're not doing any fishing. Really, to do any fishing, we should be way up there, up around that point. There's a creek up there which would be a good fishing spot. Yeah. Townsville is back that way. And people drive along the beach all the time here. You're allowed to do it. It's a recreational park designated for this type of activity. Just need a four-wheel drive. Don't have lockers in my car, just have four-wheel drive. Beach is pretty hard. Sand's soft. But you go on the tracks that people have been using, you don't get bogged. Normally you don't. It's when you veer off the tracks that you will get bogged. But yeah, I just had it on 4 high when I went around this morning. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, I'm just picking up pieces of pumice stone. It's good for your heels and skin. It's like a sandpaper. It's on your skin. Just rub your heels down and get them nice and smooth again. So there's some nice big chunks on the beach. So I'm just taking a few back home. Yeah, but to dinner tonight I'm using this Montreal sweet maple barbecue seasoning on my steak. Give it a try. It's from Bunnings and I'm going to give it a go. We're out here cooking on the fire around there. It's all cooking and a beer. Yeah, we're having a few beers. And yeah, the blowing a gale, but it's not cooking well, but it'll work. Yeah.
Life's hard, but you've got to put up with it.
Got to enjoy life while you can. That's my motto.
If Donald Trump keeps it up, we'll all be dead tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, it turned out really nice flavour. Smoky barbecue. Can't taste the maple very much, but a nice colour to it. A few carrots on the barbie as well that are a bit burnt, but they're nice. Quite nice. I'd definitely get that again. So that is Montreal sweet maple barbecue seasoning. Yeah, definitely use it again. Yeah, well, I'm on the beach. I've been out here for about an hour and a half watching the stars and then the sunrise, and I just put up the slow-mo. But yeah, it's a glorious day. Well, I hope you like this video about this camping trip to Crystal Creek Beach. Yeah, it's one of my favourite beach spots. Very, very popular this weekend, and yeah, hard to get a spot. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up to subscribe. Cheers.